Whether you drive a standard road car or a custom race car, Genie Exhaust and Performance Systems can supply and fit high-performance automotive exhaust components and systems for your petrol, diesel or four-wheel drive vehicle. Our reputation for excellence has been built on over 30 years' experience. At Genie Exhaust, we take great pride in going the extra mile. Our staff are fully trained, qualified and police cleared. We offer same-day or while-you-wait servicing. Our service is first class all the way, with dyno testing to ensure the products we fit are suitable and best matched to your needs. We look after your car by using seat covers, guard covers and floor mats. And we look after you with a free loan car on offer by appointment, free pickup at delivery if you can't make it into our workshop, and a comfortable waiting area with TV and drinks. So if you're after a standard replacement, a performance system or mechanical repairs and servicing, contact Genie Exhaust, the exhaust experts. You'll find us at 60 Norma Road, Myaree.